Hi, I'm way down here in the bottom corner, so I'm going to move myself up here. Hi. For this assignment has been adjusted. Originally, it was set to be created in iMovie, but that's not working with our current operating system. The examples that are attached to the bottom of the assignment are created in iMovie. What we want to do is create something very similar where would like you to watch these before you get started. And the idea here is to say, I am this, that, or the other, and how you relate to it. Before you do the actual assignment, I do want to make sure that, first of all, you are signed in to, sorry, when you're in Canva, make sure that you are signed in here to center hide, nothing else. I know that I accidentally posted, I think, just to period 7, MCA 2026. But make sure, whatever it is, whatever you may be on, make sure that it is center high. Look over here to the left, center high antelope right there. So that's number one. Number two, make sure you go into your Google Drive, go into Google Drive, and I'm not going to show you my Google Drive, and then download all of your images. Now, I have a handful of images here. I'll put this over to the side. Hey, look, wait, am I looking the right way? I don't know. That's me right there. And I just have a few pictures here. Remember, you had 30 to 40, but I just put several pictures up here to talk about what I am just to get this started. Once you have that, you have your pictures, go into Canva and look for video slideshow. I think that's the best way to go. When you start in Canva here, you do have the option here to just click on videos. But I think doing the video slideshow, typing that in right here might be more helpful. Find something that you like. You could create a great slideshow and then just move on to the next tutorial. This is a very simple setup, but do all that first. Okay, number one, check to make sure you're in center high antelope. Number two, make sure you download all of your images from Google Drive. By the way, if you forgot to do the previous assignment, you kind of messed up. I don't know what to tell you. You're going to have to do this at home, and you might be in trouble with me, even though I like you. And then third, make sure you come in here to Canva. Woo! That's fun. And video slideshow, find something that you like. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and, oh, I don't know, choose that or that, and we'll show up in the next tutorial.